Alright, so what's up YouTube? So today I'm about to put on the FMF Shorty. What made me want to get it was because I had a 94. I had a 94 YZ125 and I had one of those on there, and like the difference with, like, I'm not even gonna lie, the stock muffler on a 22 is nice. You know, I got a YZ2022 right now, that's what I'm working with. So the muffler on a 22 is nice. I like it, but I'm like, I want to try something new. On my 94, when I had the shorty on there, I guess the power kind of felt different. So, you know, I kind of want to see, like, you know, if I get any, if it's different, if I get that same feel that I felt on the 94. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, see what we got. Now, let me start the bike up and just get that stock sound. It's about to be loud as hell, so, because I'm gonna do a review, you know, before and after the stock sound and then the shorty sound. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so I'm gonna start it up right now. Sorry, neighbors. Neighbors about to be pissed. They'll be alright. Let's get that stock sound real fast. So that's how it sounds stock. Ooh, that was loud. Shit, you're not supposed to even do that too. You could blow your bike up like that, but you know, you gotta get that stock sound there real fast, man. Yeah, me. But alright, so we about to put that shorty on and see what we got, see what it sound like after. Alright, here we go. So now to do this, I thought I heard somebody revving their bike. Oh, that was it. But alright, to do this, it's fairly easy. Man, that Caster 927 smells amazing, bro. I love Caster 927. This right here, oh my god, it smells so good. Like, jeez, that smells so good, bro. Wow, that's a beautiful smell. But anyway, so you want to just take this off right here. You want to get rid of that side plate. Yeah, please excuse the garage. It's a bike garage. I mean, some people have their bike garage organized, and then some people like kind of have like mine. But I mean, you know, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Shit. And then you just pull this out, and then boom, you got access to the side plate. But hell yeah, so what I'm about to do now, big 450, you know what the fuck going on. You know, I stopped riding the 450 because it was just too easy to wheelie. Like, the 450 is so easy to wheelie, it make no sense. Like, the stuff that I could do on my 450, I promise you, I tried on my 125 and I cannot do it. I don't know what it is, but I tried on there and I can't do it at all. I gotta pop these zips off. They on that bitch tight too. I'm gonna get it off though. There we go. With the full FMF, you gotta take the grommet off your stock pipe and put it on the FMF. So they probably took the FMF and it smells beautiful. They probably took the FMF. I mean, they probably took the grommet, stuck it on the FMF, and then threw the old pipe on there with no grommets on there. So that's what I'm guessing happened. You know, L, old owner. I'm the second owner of this bike, but you know, L, old owner, chat. You know what I'm saying, chat? L, owner. Who I sold it to. I mean, the person who I sold it to. Still try to find them to this day. Can't find them. But that was my favorite bike. Whew. I'm getting this pipe messy, but I could fix it later. I'm trying to get this spring on. Let me get a tool. Get this spring on. Get like you know, with this, it really helps if you take the seat off. I'm not even gonna hold you. It really helps if you do that. But I was just like, you know, I'm the GOAT. I might not even need to take it off. So, I mean, it worked. So, all right, chat. Almost done, chat. We putting the side plastics back on now. So now see, like with this pipe, it's more shorter than the old one. So you see, like it covers it. Say like if you drop your bike, you're not gonna mess your pipe up. Situations like that. Or if you want to scrape or something, you're not gonna mess your pipe up. Anyway, chat, so I think our worst nightmare has happened. I think I stripped it out. I think it's stripped. Or maybe this bolt's too big. Oh man, I can't find the other one. All right, chat. All right, so now here's a sound comparison. Let me open this up. All right, here's the sound. So this is the FMF on there. I was gonna lie, it kind of sound a little bit better. It sound different. See? It sound different. It sound different. I ain't gonna lie. It sound way different. That caster smells so good. But yeah, it do sound different. So I got the FMF on there. I can't wait to ride it, y'all. I can't. Ooh. I can't wait to ride it. See. So tomorrow I'm gonna make another video. But it sound better. I ain't gonna lie, I like that sound. That shit sound, it got grunt in it now. So, all right, chat. That's how you change out a stock pipe. That's how you change out a stock muffler to FMF. Real simple, real easy. And make sure you got the grommet. You gotta take the grommet out of your old stock muffler and put it in the new one. So we're gonna see tomorrow. I'm gonna pop out, see what we got going. But all right, y'all. Stay tuned.